Good morning. This is Anu Sharma from the Nasdaq Market Intelligence Desk with your pre-opening chip picture for Monday, May 17th. With just under 45 minutes to go until the opening bell, the futures are pointing towards a lower open. We're seeing concern funneling in from Asia and Europe. The Asian markets tumbled. We saw the Shanghai Stock Exchange move 5.1% to the downside in the overnight trading session. And we're also seeing the European markets move significantly lower. So that's causing a bit of concern right here in the U.S. Now, typically we're seeing that anyway. We saw follow through on concerns of Europe from last week going into this morning as well. The concerns really are on the viability of the EU, which is the European Union, and also the continuing concerns regarding the euro and whether the euro will continue to exist going down the road as well. So obviously what that's doing is bringing money back into the dollar, and it's also bringing money back into gold, which is fueling gold at all-time highs once again. But on top of that, we're also seeing some concerns around some economic numbers. Now, typically we've seen some good numbers of late across the economic world in terms of domestic numbers, particularly around manufacturing and industrial production. But this morning we're seeing a negative number, and that's on the Empire Manufacturing Index. That came in at 19.11 was the reading on that index, and the number was supposed to be at 30. So we're seeing a significantly lower number than expectations, and that's what's turned the markets really dramatically this morning. The futures are starting to show a pretty strong move to the downside. Now, from a technical perspective, we're looking at 2,300 as support for the Nasdaq and 10,500 as support for the Dow. Now, that will put us close to that 10% correction territory that many traders are looking for, so that may also be viewed as a positive. And this is Anu Sharma from the Nasdaq Market Intelligence Desk with your pre-opening picture.